Hi everyone, welcome to Apple Tech Page. Lot of iPhone users are reporting that since iOS update, their cellular data not working. It shows cellular or mobile data update failed error. Here I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1 is refresh airplane mode. First go to Settings app. Now enable airplane mode, leave it for 30 seconds, then disable it. Solution 2 is turn off and turn on your device. To do this, go to Settings app. Here you have to tap on General. Next, tap on Shutdown at bottom. Turn off your iPhone by dragging the slide to power off slider to right side, then wait for 10 seconds and turn it back on. Solution 3 is remove the SIM card and reinsert it. Turn off your iPhone completely, then remove the SIM slot using the pin, then take out your SIM card, wait for a few seconds and reinsert it. Now check whether the cellular data is working or not. Solution 4 is force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12 and 13 series and iPhone SE second generation, do the following steps to force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If you have iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, do the following steps to force restart. Press and hold the sleep or wake button and volume down button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. If you have iPhone 6s Plus and earlier models, do the following steps to force restart. Press and hold the home button and side or power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Solution 5 is reset network settings. This process resets your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. To do this, go to Settings app. Next, tap on General. Tap Reset at bottom. Select Reset Network Settings. Next, enter your iPhone's passcode. Tap Reset Network Settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution 6 is Reset All Settings. Resetting the all settings resets your all customized settings to default settings, but none of your personal data will be deleted. Tap on Settings app. Now tap on General. Scroll down to bottom and tap on Reset. Select Reset All Settings. Next, it will be prompted to enter the passcode of your iPhone. In the pop-up window, tap Reset All Settings to confirm this process. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe to Apple Tech Page.